Hello, and welcome back to Jollyroger Hobbies. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 that I ordered from Amazon. I also ordered a couple other accessories that are going to be in this box, and we'll show them to you here in a second. All that and more coming to you in 40 seconds or less, right after the info. So stay tuned. Here on my channel, I do videos on general hobbies, which include model building, RC aircraft, planes, helicopters, etc., video games like Star Citizen, photography, geocaching, anything to do with aviation, and I also do product reviews. I put links to items that I showcase in my videos in the description, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll see when I upload a new video. Also, feel free to ask questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. And feel free to converse with one another, but please do it in a respectful way. Alright, so here we got our box from our GoPro Hero 8 that, like I mentioned, that I got from Amazon. This was a small bundle that I ordered, which in the bundle includes a memory card and 2 extra GoPro batteries. I also ordered a small ball mount, which I'll show you when we get it, and a third-party charger that will charge up all 3 batteries simultaneously. But right before I open it, I want to mention one thing. UPS dropped this off earlier and at work, and my coworker witnessed the guy kind of kick this out of the back of the truck. All we saw was this was sliding out of the back of the truck, land on the ground, bounce a couple times. Then after sitting there for about 2 minutes, the guy got out and scanned the box and then brought it in. As you can tell, broke all that, and yeah, and that. Very nice. And I dropped my knife too. So, thank you, UPS. I appreciate all your hard, dedicated work to keep our packages safe and secure. Luckily, this is a GoPro and it's meant to handle abuse like that. And this is probably packaged well enough, but thanks again, UPS, for your hard, dedicated work. Thank you, Amazon. Alright, so that's the ball mount. That's the multi-charger. So I'm going to set these aside for now. And then another smaller box. This would be the GoPro Hero 8 small bundle. Hey, this kit is not separate. So here's the listing right now for that bundle, or for this bundle. And furthermore, I'm going to put the links for this bundle along with this mount and this charger, if you're interested, in the description. I'll put the links in the description, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Alright, so right up on top in the bundle, standard GoPro battery. Alright, what comes in this bundle? So this bundle comes with a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme card, which is excellent. 64 gigabytes is a little small. I prefer 128, but this is a great starter one. Comes with a little USB card reader, which this is from Ritz Gear, and I have heard on the comments that to some people this doesn't work. I'll test it out and we'll see. 2 genuine GoPro Hero 8 batteries. You can tell the Hero 8 batteries because they're blue on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and set these aside real quick. And let's get to the meat and potatoes of this, which I don't know if you can see it, but there is a little bit of damage on that box. I seriously doubt it happened in shipping. More than likely that was done at the factory. Alright, so to get in this box, most people try and rip through it or anything. What you actually do, there's a blue security strip at the bottom here. Grab that, tear it open. Finger hole right here, pull it out, the entire thing comes out. And then as you can see, this is now empty. Second thing, to get the GoPro off the top, this is just a little plastic shipping thing that it comes in. So you want to lift up this little rubber tab right there, and then pinch these, slide it forward. GoPro comes right off. Next thing you'll want to do, unscrew the mount, which, holy cow. Sorry about that. They screwed that thing on incredibly tight. So unscrew that, pull the GoPro off, and then right here, there's this plastic piece. This is only for shipping, so just peel this up right here at the top, flip it off like that, and then toss it. And it even says right there, remove. The cool thing about the GoPro Hero 8, the mounting fingers retract. And they're magnetic. Just pull them out. You're good to go. Also, if you didn't know, this is a sticker back here. Peel that sticker off. Alright, what else is in the box? Let's get to it. Manual. You get 2 stickers right here if you're into that. I'm really not. Here's all your documentation. Open up this side. This battery was in here, but it fell out as soon as I grabbed it. Genuine GoPro Hero 8 battery. Charging cable. And this is a curved mount that it comes with. The curved mount is made for putting on a helmet. This is a 3M adhesive. This is a very strong adhesive. This is a permanent mount. So do not place this anywhere that you don't want it to be on permanent. And then that's it. Some people keep this plastic thing as a mount if you want. You can go ahead and do that. Just cut it off the bottom here. And you can keep it as a little stand to hold it up if you so desire. I really don't need to. Now, to open up this real quick, here is that other battery. And of course there's this one too, but I'm not going to open it. Now, what makes the GoPro Hero 8 battery so unique? First of all, you can tell the Hero 8 genuine battery because of the blue strip. The original GoPro batteries are all black. The reason why this is important to be in a GoPro Hero 8 is because this is balanced and you're able to use it for the Hyperlapse 2.0, I do believe, and some other higher end functions that are not on the lower end GoPros. You can use this battery in the lower end GoPros, the Hero 7 Black, the Hero 5, the 6 and 4, and I do believe the 3 as well. Don't quote me on that one. These will be used in those. However, the other batteries, the 4, 5, 6, and 7, you can use in here, you can insert it, but, and it will work, but the caveat and the reason why you want to use genuine Hero 8 batteries is because those high-end functions that we're talking about, the hyperlapse, the 4K, and higher resolutions, higher frame rates, you are not allowed to use those with lower-end batteries. They don't have the capacity for some reason. Why? I'm not totally sure. So these are back-end compatible, but the other batteries you can use in the Hero 8, but only if you're not using those high-end functions. Alright. I promised you the other accessories real quick. One that I got from Sky JFFJ is a ball mount. So you can literally rotate this 360 degrees up and down. So your GoPro can be mounted any place you want. Standard mounting fingers on the bottom, mounting fingers up top. So there you go. Great little accessory. Don't know if you can hear that. This is all aluminum. And again, that link will be in the description. It also comes with a nice little wrench if you need to tighten them down. Or loosen them up. The cool thing is, as far as I know, yes, this wrench will work on the original screws. So instead of using the regular pliers that I used to get this off, I could have opened this and used this wrench. Now the other thing I got, which is the charger. Now this is a third-party charger from Ugreen. Alright. Third-party charger from Ugreen. 2 inputs, micro USB and USB-C. Either one can be plugged in to charge your GoPro batteries. One or the other, not both at the same time. So, which means you can use your original cord that came with your GoPro to plug in here, or you can use the card that it came, or the one that came with. Oh, I apologize. That's not the old micro USB. That's a maybe it's called the micro. I forget. I would rather use the USB-C, and that's what my cables are generally, are all USB-C. Anyways, moving on. These batteries fit in real tight. I like that. So you can charge them in direction. They have red lights on each one and green when they're fully charged. They will charge simultaneously, all 3 at once, or if you just want to charge 1 or 2 at a time while you're using the third, it will charge it. This is a great little accessory to have, and this does work on the GoPro Hero 8 batteries. At least that's what I was told on the reviews. Other people have had it, and I'm going to test them out after this, and I'll let you know. Alright, that's been our quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Extra with the bundle. And then the accessories that I bought specifically, which link is in the description. The battery charger and the ball mount. If you got any questions, comments, please put them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and thanks for watching.